Hi, my name is Pedro and I'm the lead front-end developer here at GitArch. Today, I'm going to teach you how you can create a new repository using GitArch. This is the homepage where you can go to a specific repo or you can create a new one. Today, I'm going to create a new one. Here you have the option to create a simple or an advanced one. Today, I'm going to create a simple one. You can set up the repo name, the license, and the description as you want and hit create. Your wallet will pop up here and you will have to accept the transaction. After that, a toast notification will appear here on the top right and will say that it's creating the repo, and then it's going to redirect you to a page like this. This is the setup. I already created a repository with only a README, and right now I already added the remote here. Now I just need to push, and I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to push, and then it's asking me for my private key or my seed phrase. I'm going to put it here, create a password, then a nickname. Now it's going to mint the two IPFSs, and let's wait. I already minted both objects, inserted an ID to it. Now it's going to append the IPFS to the IPS to yes, it's appending, and it's done. Now I can go here and refresh this page, and as you can see, I have this repo. This is the text that I've added, and this is my first commit. I only have one branch, and that's it for now. If you want to, you can also go here and create another repository, or you can go to your profile and create an identity. Right now, I'm going to add my display name, Pedro Filho, and my legal name is Pedro Filho. My web address is irrelevant. I'm going to just add these two for now. I'm going to create. It's going to ask me for approval. I accept. It's creating my identity. I'm going to wait. And after it finishes, it will reload this page. Yes. And I will have this. And here it's going to have the list of my repositories. And that's it for the tutorial for now. If you have any questions, you can go to Discord and put it there. I will probably respond, me or Gabe or anyone related to this project. And yeah, that's it. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.